let's go into my local Dollar General and do some Christmas shopping. So I have already looked all around town for different types of ornaments and ideas of things to inspire us. But when I hit this Dollar General, I was like, wow, look at all of these really cute things. I'm loving all of the whimsical decor. This one has donuts and peppermint candies for the ho ho ho. And this is more of a traditional look here with the plaids. Dollar General is really coming out with the tartan plaid this year, and it's really pretty. I absolutely love it. It is more of a classical look. And then they had this whole wall of ornaments. This one really inspired me. I thought we can make something with this. I'm thinking maybe we get some of that chunky yarn and make one for ourselves. Into a life-size wreath, of course. And then these little stuffies, my friend Heidi makes stuffies, and those are so cute. And then we've got some nutcrackers, and those are super popular this year as well. They had 3 different varieties. And then the little velvet ones in multiple different colors. Those would be cute on a wreath or even just standing on a entry table. I love these little metal signs, I guess, that tags you could put on your Christmas tree as ornaments, or you could make them over in different colors to kind of fit your decor better. I started digging in these. These are like faux ornaments. They're not glass, they're plastic. So unbreakable. That's a win in my book. How cute is that gnome? Absolutely love him. And the little gingerbread, so precious. Y'all, I went shopping and did this video a week ago. So I went out of town and then I forgot what all, and so here I am getting to discover it all with you again. I love it. So look at these mug ornaments. I thought that was really cute. All the food ones are really cute, of course. Lots of ribbon. We are going to lean into the bows this year. I like this hot cocoa mug ribbon, all the colors, lots of tinsel and stockings. And then here we go. Here is that tartan plaid I was telling you about. It's so pretty. I'm loving all of these pillows here. Look at this one with the little Santa and his legs kind of dangle off the bottom. And of course, the gnome with the 3D furry beard. So cute. And then I found this Merry Christmas pillow with the ticking on it. I did end up grabbing that to show you guys a really fun DIY. Look at that cute Merry Christmas with the dog in it. Looks like my dog. All right, then they have lots of jarred candles to pick from. If you did not see my candle tour, I will link that video here below in the description because there are so many amazing candle scents out there, my friend. All right, so they have lots of containers. I would just definitely say if you're looking for containers to give candy or little Chex Mix gifts to this season, definitely check out Dollar General. Look at this frosty mug with the snowman on the front, one with a wreath. Thought that was pretty. And then these fun soup mugs. My daughter drinks lots of soup. She eats lots of soups. Santa mugs and just holiday mugs. And of course, I saw the blue truck and was like, I love it. I have a mug problem. I do have way too many mugs. I've kind of told myself I have to get rid of one before I get a new one, just to kind of try to keep myself in check. Look at that sweater pattern. Isn't that pretty? Man, I wanted one of these. Look at that one. I like the green one even better. They had lots of tumblers, and then I was just really drawn to these because I think they would make the perfect gift holder. So you know how the kids that are a little bit older, you don't know what to get for them, but you end up having to get them like gift cards and stuff. Thought those would be cute to put gift cards in, and tissue paper. Just kind of really cute it up. More nutcrackers. They had the coasters. And again, we've got containers you could put popcorn in, chocolate candies, gift cards, all sorts of things. They had lots of dish towels. You can make dish towel pillows. You can add them to a really fun pattern dish towel and hang them off your dishwasher or your oven handle. I saw this gingerbread one and thought, ooh, that one is awesome. I wanted to show you up close. It's got the little recipe on it, and then it's there with the pattern towel too. That would be good with a cutting board, or just even like a cake mix, a gingerbread cookie mix. More hot cocoa mugs, and they had the little spoon with them. And then I turned the camera around over to the other side again just to kind of show you some of the fun headbands. Those always make good stocking stuffers. And then I found the bows. I was like, these are pre-made bows, and yes, we can make bows, but these ones that are like sequined and sparkly, it's a really different material, and it's going to be a little more difficult to put one of these together DIY. So you could definitely pick one up while you're there. They had them in red and gold. I love these for the front door or a wreath. And I've even seen people put these all over their Christmas tree this year too. This one's a little more traditional with a little bit of snow. And then, of course, that peppermint one up there was really cute. I don't know why I didn't video it. But then these are the doormats. I love them. They are the cloth doormats. We've got this hot cocoa one. That'd be cute to put in front of a cocoa bar. And then we've got the Merry Christmas and then the choir rug. Those are good for the front doors. Thought he was kind of cute. Look at his beard. What is that made out of? Lame? And then we've got stockings, all kinds of stockings. It's fun to find your initial. Mine was on the front, Melanie. And if you like videos like these, I would absolutely love it if you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up. And we are back to that tinsel garland. Those are fun to use in crafting. Lots of tree skirts. I like that Santa one. All right, I had to come over here to the mugs again and show you this little jar. We are going to make a DIY using that and some of these little wax melt bricks. So I chose this flavor, whatever that gold flavor is. I can't see it. And then these, I grabbed one of these because we're going to do a project with them. They are little door hangers, so stay tuned. I'll see you on the next video.